Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, September 26 to Saturday, October 2nd, 2021. And today I use the all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Select Colgate toothpaste deal. You don't have any CRT, that is okay. You can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste is 6 OZ, it's $7.98. You can use one $7.90 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. You don't need to pay anything out of pocket, so the final cost is free. My next deal is Select Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can buy 2 Colgate Optic White Advanced toothpaste 3 OZ, it's $13.98. It's $6.99 each. You can use one $7.90 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Also you can use one $3 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch with the $7.90 of 2. This coupon also available on Sunday. So the total coupon is $10.98. You can pay or roll $3 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal is if you have 5 or 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT, you can do this deal like that. Select Colgate Renewal toothpaste deal and Select Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate Oral Care and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can buy 1 Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ, it's $10.29. Also you can buy 1 Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ, it's $10.29. So also you can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ, it's $7.98. It's 2 for $7.98. So the totals come out $28.56. You can use one 5 or 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use one 3 of 2 Colgate Renewal Total Optic White Sensitive digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch and it's available on Sunday. Also you can use one $3 of Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste digital coupon and use one $3 of Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste digital coupon. Also we have available $7.98 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. So the total coupon is $21.98. Pay or roll $6.58 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just $3.58 or 89 cents each. My next deal is Neutrogena cosmetic deal. Buy 2 and get back $6 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 1 Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint. It's $18.99. Also you can buy 1 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipe. It's 21 CT, $7.29. So the totals come out $26.28. You can use one 5 of 20 Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $5 of Neutrogena Hydro Boost Tint CVS CRT. Use one free cosmetic up to $5 CVS message coupon. Use one $2 of Neutrogena digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. And use one $1.50 of Neutrogena Vibe digital coupon. So the total coupon is $18.50. Pay or roll $7.78 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.78 or 89 cents each. My next deal is Maybelline cosmetic deal. Spend 12 and get back $4 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's exclude eyeshadow, moons and baby lips. So you can buy 2 Maybelline Great Class Mascara. It's $14.98. It's $7.49 each. You can use one 4 of 14 Maybelline Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Maybelline mystery coupon printed this week. Also you can add one free cosmetic up to $5 CVS message coupon. So the total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $2.98 and get back $4 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. But in this ad, you can check they write down here the visit the extra care coupon center in the store to find out how to get your free Maybelline face product. So maybe check on this Sunday we can get that coupon. Yeah, we need to ask to the manager. So make sure to check on scan your card on the extra care machine. We can print out the free coupon for the Maybelline face product. We can check back on the Sunday. My next deal is Revlon cosmetic deal. Spend $15 on Revlon cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. That one has a limit up to $6. Six per household. So you can buy 2 Revlon Soap PRC mascara. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. You can use 1 5 of 20 any Revlon cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1 free cosmetic up to $5 CVS message coupon. Use 1 $3 of Revlon I digital coupon and use 1 $3 of Revlon I printable coupon on coupon.com. But that coupon is no longer available. So the total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $4 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal is L'Oreal Facial Care Deal Scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit up to 1 per household. So you can buy 1 L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer 2.5 OZ. It's $19.99. Also you can buy 2 L'Oreal Foaming Gel Cleanser 6.8 OZ. It's $10.38. It's $5.19 each. So the totals come out $30.37. You can use 1 5 of 25 L'Oreal Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $6 of L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $18.78 and get back $10 ECB plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just 37 cents or 12 cents each. Sorry, my total is $12.37. My next deal is L'Oreal Facial Care Deal Scenario 2. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Serum. It's $32.79. Also you can use 1 5 of 25 L'Oreal Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $6 of L'Oreal Revitalift Serum CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $15.79 and get back $10 ECB. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just $2.79 or $2.79 each. My next deal is Garnier Facial Care Deals. Buy 2 Garnier Facial Care and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 1 Garnier Green Lab Serum 2.4 OZ. It's $22.49. Also you can buy 1 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $7.79. So the totals come out $30.28. You can use 1 6 of 25 Garnier Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $5 of Garnier Green Lab Serum CVS CRT. Use 2 $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $10.28 and get back $5 ECB plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just $2.28 or $1.14 each. My next deal is Sure or Brute deodorant deal. Buy 1 and get back $2 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $2 each. So you can buy either one Brute or Sure deodorant. It's $2. Pay or roll $2 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal is Garnier Whole Blend Hair Care Deal and Select Dove Hair Care Deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB and it's on sale 2 for $7. And buy 2 Select Dove and get back $2 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 2 Garnier Whole Blend shampoo or conditioner. It's $7. it's 2 for $7. Also you can buy 2 Dove hair therapy shampoo or conditioner, it's $17.18, it's $8.59 each. So the totals come out $24.18. You can use 1/4 of 18 any hair care CVS CRT. Use $2 of 2 Garnier whole blend CVS instant coupon, it's printed next week. Also you can use $3 of 3 nail hair care CVS CRT. Use 1/4 of 2 Dove shampoo or conditioner digital coupon. That coupon is glitching with the printable coupon, $4 of 2. So the total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $7.18 and get back $3 ECB for the Garnier and get back $2 ECB for the Dove. So the final cost is only just $2.18 or 54 cents each. But check back on Sunday if we get any digital or printable coupon for the Garnier whole blend shampoo. My next deal is any Insure or Glucerna product deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 2 Glucerna mini treat snacks bar. It's $12.58. It's $6.29 each in my store. Also you can use 1/3 of 2 Glucerna product CVS CRT. Use $2 to $3 of Glucerna printable coupon on glucerna.com. That coupon you can available only for the new sign up. So the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $3.58 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $1.42 money maker. My next deal is BioTrue or Renew Eye Care deal. Buy 1 and get back $2 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 1 Renew multi-purpose solution twin pack. It's $15.99. You can use 1/3 of 10 any eye care purchase CVS CRT. Use $2 of Renew or BioTrue CVS instant coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Also you can print $5 of 1 Renew solution printable coupon on renew.com. So the total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $5.99 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just $3.99 each. My next deal is any Pepcid, Imodium or Lactate product deal. Spend 20 on Pepcid and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 1 Pepcid AC maximum strength for heartburn relief 50 cc, it's $22.49. You can use 1/4 of 20 Antacid heartburn relief CVS CRT. Use $3 of heartburn relief product CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $12.49 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $7.49 each. My next deal is all Hershey's snack size or Butterfinger candy deal. If you didn't do this deal on this week, you can definitely do this deal on next week. They have the same buy 3 and get back $2 ECB, and that one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale 3 for $8. So you can buy 3 Hershey's Kit Kat snack size candy, it's $8. Use $2 of $8 any candy CVS CRT. Use $2 of 3 Hershey's snack size candy CVS instant coupon, it's printed this week. So the total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $4 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2 or 66 cents each. But if you have the insert coupon for the Butterfinger candy, stack this coupon to get the free candy. My last and final deal is all Hershey's singles candy deal. Buy 2 and get back $1 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $2. So you can buy 2 Hershey's singles candy. It's $2. It's 2 for $2. Pay or roll $2 and get back $1 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1 or 50 cents each. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.